Hi everyone, I am excited to share you something new that I have created. This is Sally's bracelet. This is a 3D printed couples bracelet that is designed to keep you and your partner connected no matter how busy life gets. Because we all know staying in touch can get hard sometimes. But with this bracelet, you can send that I miss you gesture in a very fun and techy way. Let me show how it works. So the bracelet has this NFC chip. Wait, I'll show you. So this is the chip beneath it. So what this allows is if you have an iPhone, all you need to do is to bring your phone closer to the bracelet and it will start a chain of commands. Some of the examples for this will be to send a pre-written text like I miss you or I was thinking about you, or start a call directly with your partner. Or if that's not your thing, you can even start a playlist that reminds you of your partner. You can even set it up to trigger multiple action at once. And the best part is you don't even have to install any app for this. You already have the Shortcuts app in your iPhone, and setting it up is like a half a minute job. You can just go into the Shortcuts app and follow the 2 simple steps that are given in the box. So yeah, no tech skills required. So let me give you a few real life cases that you can use this with. Imagine you're busy at work and you're having a stressful day. You can just tap your phone to your bracelet and like give them message that you will get late or you cannot message or call them right now. Or if you're in a long distance relationship and you can't message right now, or if you just need a reminder of them, or if you just miss them and they are not available, you can just tap on the bracelet and it will start your playlist together with them. Or maybe you are running a little late, you can just tap on it and let them know. Okay, now let's talk about something that makes this bracelet even cooler. It is completely customizable. Since it is 3D printed, I can design it to suit you and your relationship. For the basic version, you can ask me to add your name or any initials you want. Like I have added Ali. That is my name because I'm not with anyone right now. But for more advanced design, you can even ask me to add some specific colors. So for example, maybe you want a cat symbol on your bracelet, or maybe a dinosaur, I don't know, or maybe a simple heart shape. And in this way, this is not just a functional bracelet, but it is also very personal. The idea of this bracelet came from technology being infused with emotion and meaningfulness. I wanted to create something that is beyond just looking pretty, right? Because in today's world, a busy world, even a small gesture like this can make your partner's day. So with Sally's NFC bracelet, you're not just giving your partner a gift, you are giving them a reminder of your bond, something that make it easy to get connected and be thoughtful. Okay, fuck, that is pretentious for me too. So yeah, if this sounds something like you and your partner want, you can send me a DM, whether it is a gift of anniversary, Valentine, or even birthdays, I don't know. Or maybe just randomly because the bracelet is so unique, you don't need a specific day to gift it. Give me your money. And if you have any custom idea, do let me know and I'll tell you if I can do that for you or not. And let's make staying connected more meaningful and stylish. By the way, I'm just marketing it for couples because I see a better opportunity there. But this is available for singles too. Like you can use this to maybe play some silly music or something, or your playlist or reminder, and many more things. And by the way, this is not just for an iPhone. You can use it with your Android phones too. You just have to enable NFC in settings and download this one app. So yeah, bye I guess.